Hello, everyone. I'm James. Welcome back to Easy English for You. Why do we keep eating even when we're already full? And why does it feel so good?
I think something is wrong with me. Every night I make the same promise. Tonight I will eat less. But around 11 p.m., I open the fridge again. Not because I am hungry. I just want that feeling.
What feeling?
Peace, warmth, freedom. My whole day feels heavy. Work, messages, problems, people asking things from me. But late at night, everyone sleeps. The house becomes quiet. I can finally stop pretending. I open the fridge slowly. Cold rice, leftover beef, spicy noodles, soda, sometimes beer. And honestly, I love that moment. I sit alone and eat slowly. I watch videos. I mix flavors together. Sweet, salty, spicy. It feels like my real day finally starts. That is why I cannot stop. One bite becomes 10. One bowl becomes 2. Sometimes my stomach hurts, but I still keep eating. I'm scared. Not because of my weight, not because of my face. I'm scared because I cannot stop myself. Sometimes my hand reaches for food before I even think.
Yes, that's the real pain. The stomach is full, but something inside still wants more. Think about that. Sometimes desire moves first. Thinking comes later.
Yes, exactly. I even make rules for myself. Only 3 bites. No noodles tonight. Just fruit. But when I start eating, my thinking stops. My promise disappears. Everything disappears. Food becomes stronger than me.
Because this problem is older than today.
What do you mean?
Most people think eating too much comes from weak will, but many times that's not true. Sometimes it comes from a very old habit inside the mind, a deep habit, older than your decision.
So this is not just about food?
No, humans do not only eat food, we also eat comfort. We eat rest. We eat quiet moments. We eat feelings we never talk about. Think about your life carefully. When do you want food the most?
At night.
Why not morning?
I don't know.
You do know. Morning is for work. Morning is for things to do. But night is different. At night, you can finally stop acting strong. And the mind says, "Now give me something."
That feels true.
Because your hunger is not only in the stomach, something inside you is tired too.
But eating makes me happy. Is that wrong?
No, food is not evil. Pleasure is not evil. The problem starts when food becomes your only comfort. Then you start holding on too tightly.
But everyone has something like that. Some people drink. Some people shop. Mine is just food.
Yes, humans always hold on to something. But problems begin when we stop seeing it clearly. Let me tell you a story. There was once a gambler. He lost everything. Money, family, trust. He wanted to stop gambling so badly that he cut off one of his fingers.
What?
He believed the finger was the problem. But one day he walked past a gambling house. He heard the cards. He heard people shouting. And suddenly, the place where his finger used to be started shaking. His body remembered, even without the finger.
That is very scary.
Yes, and your mind works the same way. Deep habits move before thinking starts.
That sounds exactly like me.
Bad habits were never only in the hand. They were already living inside the mind.
Then what should I do? Fight harder? Use more self-control? Maybe fasting? Maybe diet pills? Maybe I should throw all junk food away.
Listen carefully. If fighting worked, you would already be free. You have been fighting yourself for years, but every night you return to the fridge.
Yes, that is true. So what choice do I have?
First, stop calling yourself weak. Weak people do not suffer like this. Weak people do not keep trying again.
Then why do I still lose?
Because you are trying to control the hand, but the real movement starts deeper inside. There's an old teaching. If you push desire away hard, it comes back harder. Think about this. The more people say, I must never eat this again, the more they think about it. The fight itself becomes another prison.
So I should just eat everything?
No, that's another escape. I'm not telling you to follow desire. I'm telling you to watch it.
Watch it?
Yes. Most people never really watch their desire. They either follow it or fight it, but they never stop and look at it quietly.
I never thought about it that way.
Next time you eat late at night, try this. Prepare your favorite food, something you really love. Maybe noodles, maybe barbecue, maybe fried chicken. Eat only 3 bites. Then stop.
That sounds impossible.
Good. Now you are finally meeting your real mind. Put the spoon down. Do not run away. Do not touch your phone. Just sit there quietly for 1 minute. Watch what happens inside you. The pressure, the excuses, the voice saying, "One more bite is okay. Tomorrow will be different. I had a hard day." Just watch it, like clouds moving across the sky.
That sounds uncomfortable.
Yes, because for the first time, you are not escaping yourself. You are finally meeting yourself.
But what if the feeling becomes too strong?
Then you will finally understand your pain clearly. Before, you only saw the eating. Now you start seeing the loneliness under it.
Loneliness? I never thought about it that way.
Many people do not. When people feel tired inside, they often look for comfort through food. They say, "I just love eating," but many times, food is carrying feelings that words never touched. Silence, stress, emptiness, the wish to feel okay again.
So I wasn't crazy?
No, you were lonely and tired.
So when I eat at night,
You're not only feeding the body. Something deeper inside you is asking for comfort.
then what should I do with that feeling?
First, stop hating yourself for having it. Humans are not machines. Every heart looks for warmth somewhere.
That feels sad.
Yes, but it is also very human. The real question is not, do you have desire? The real question is, can you see desire before desire controls you?
I think I understand now. I kept thinking food was the problem, but maybe I was trying to fill something else.
Yes.
And maybe I was afraid to stop because eating was the only time I felt free.
Knowing this changes everything. Real change doesn't start with force. It starts with seeing clearly, calmly, honestly. Before we finish today, tell me this. What do you always eat late at night? Tell me in the comments. Tonight, don't promise yourself to be perfect. Don't make big rules. Just try one small, honest moment. 3 bites, 1 pause, 1 quiet look at your mind. That's enough for today. And remember this, don't fight it, just watch it. Sometimes healing begins when you stop running away from yourself. Say it again quietly to yourself. Don't fight it. Just watch it. In our next video, we'll talk about anger. Why do harsh words come out before we can stop them? And why does anger feel stronger than reason? If today's video helped you, please like and subscribe. And members can download today's PDF summary for slow reading and shadowing practice. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep going and keep growing.